Let me show you how I went from this to this in just few minutes. Hi there, cousins. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great because I am fine. Let's reinstall. This is my old Shein wig. This is like the first very wig I got from Shein. And this wig is tired of me. So the first thing you do is to create layers of holding with your holding spray. It's a glue but in a liquid form, yeah. So because I won't be wearing the wig just for long, I just wanted to reinstall this and like recreate this video. I won't be applying a lot of spray glue. I only applied like 3. I just built it. You put it on, you let it dry, you put another one and you let it dry. Very simple. I only use 3 or 2 layers here. The first one and the second one. I let it dry and I started fixing down the wig. You can see that the wig looks so weak and tired. But guess what? Whatever we have, we're gonna make it work. Yes, because it just has to work if we want it to work. So you could see that I was already looking at myself crazy. Like at some point, I even wanted to give up. Like I just wanted to be done with it and throw it away. But no, we are meant to do this. So we're gonna do it right. I added some other spray glue on it, and I used my fingers to like place it down. I went back to the fixing of the wig. I have to like stretch it out properly from the back so it's tight enough from the front so it doesn't fall off. Do you get? Now I also have to use the tail comb to place it to my skin as much as I can. I have to comb it out as well because if you don't, the hair will be glued to your skin, so you don't want that. So I had to take my time to comb it down. Then I got this in you listings. I also got this from Shein as well. You can get this from anywhere in the drugstore, Amazon, or anywhere you order your beauty product from. But I got mine from Shein. I just put just a little bit of drops because I know I've used it on it before. Then I got my hair dryer. I use it for a few minutes just to dry the whole stuff down. Mind you, we just need to lay this down properly first before we can go into the styling. Then after that, we'll use our banding for it. We band and band and band. I wanted this to be so tight because I want the install to be really tight. In as much as I don't want it to last long, at least I want it to carry me for the whole day because I had an appointment that day that I was going for. So I just wanted to use this. So we need it to be as tight as possible. We got our tiger hair gel, hair wax, I mean, for the relaxation of the hair. Look, you see this stuff? It is so good, like literally so good. And don't manage it if you really want to lay your wig. Do not manage it for straight hair, for coil hair. So far you want it to slip down, use it. The wax is underrated. It's so good. You can see that it's even showing white already because I used enough of it. Now we got our hot comb. You need your hot comb to be as hot as possible, and I started laying this down. You see that I'm also using my hand to like support the process so it lays as much as I want it to. You have to really take your time. You have to take your time. If you want that hair to lay, you have to take your time. It's not something you rush. You will take your time. One thing I've always told you guys and I'll continue to say is in this life, never ever rush yourself. If Shein wigs are the wigs that you can afford at the moment, please buy them. Buy them and maintain it. And mind you, even if it's a raw donor hair that you buy and you cannot maintain it, it will always go bad. So maintenance is the beauty of hair. If you know how to maintain your hair, you will always enjoy it, no matter the quality that you have. Do you understand? Even if it's synthetic hair, make it work. Just make it work. And you still go ahead and slay your because you got it from your with your money. You didn't borrow it. You know, you were not given, you bought it with your money. You see, it's coming out. The beauty is like coming out. You see me smiling because I'm a bit happy. I was a bit excited that everything is coming out together. But I didn't stop with the hot comb. I have to like lay every single strand down. But this hair is actually good because it does not have short strand and long strand. Next up is our leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is underrated, guys. It's really good. It has coconut as well. is a leave-in conditioner. So you're going to have to like pour a little bit of it. You can see that I already have a little in the bottle, but you have to pour a little bit of it in the bottle and add some water, cover it up, shake it properly so it is dissolved. Once it's dissolved, you go ahead section by section and make sure you do not manage this. Don't manage it. There's nothing to manage here. Put it in that hair, like massage it into the hair, spray it into the hair section by section. Make sure it gets to every single part of the hair. Make sure it gets to every single part of the hair, because that is what is going to bring out the moisture. It's going to moisturize the hair. It's going to bring out the curls, define the curls in the hair, if you understand what I mean. If you don't do this, your hair is definitely going to look very rough and tattered. So if you really want the coils to come out, you want it to pop out, use it. So you can see the way I was literally going through every single part of the hair. Like I left no stone unturned. Every single part, the half up, the half down, every single part of them got the liquid. I wanted it to be so moisturized, like literally dripping out. I kept on going in and in and in. And literally, if you're doing it, you feel like you can also go in as much as you want, go ahead and do it. Then get this type of brush, please. If your hair is this type of hair, you need this type of comb to get it. You see the way I'm combing it from the tips, not from the body. You start from the tips. Each of the sections from the tips. Once you're done combing from the tips, then you go into the body and you start brushing them out little by little. You see that the coils are coming out here. It's popping out section by section, little by little. Keep combing it, and you see this hair here. The more you comb it, the more bouncy it gets. Like it's really nice, and it's quite affordable. I think I got about $59 or $60 as of last month. I don't know how much it is now, but that was what I got it last month, and I've used it several times. So you see I was still going in again with the moisture, the liquid. That is the leave-in conditioner and the water. Keep on going in if you need to, and keep on brushing it out from the tips, and then go in to the body section by section. Just try to take your time. It's not something you have to rush if you really want your hair to be really beautiful at the end of the whole thing. And the half up as well, I also went in and brushed it out properly, because you don't want a rough half up and a pretty half down. So you want everything to look good together. You see how beautiful that hair is popping out just with the leave-in conditioner. Please go and get that leave-in conditioner. You can get it from Amazon. You can get it from TikTok shop. You can get it from any drugstore close to you. It's really good. Very beautiful. Now the hair is, you know what, it's giving. It's giving. You can't tell me nothing. The hair is coming out really good. And after the whole thing, I still went in back with a leave-in conditioner after combing it to like still retain the coils properly, because I have combed it and some of them have dripped out. So I still went in back with the leave-in conditioner and the water to like retain the coils and make it bouncy and shiny. See the way I was putting it in my hand so it would go through the whole part of the hair that the spray could not get into. You see how the hair is popping out now? So this is why you need a leave-in conditioner for your hair, any kind of hair at all, be it synthetic, be it human hair, be it raw hair. So if it's coily hair, baby girl, you need a leave-in conditioner. You need a leave-in conditioner for your hair, even your natural hair, you know. So yeah, that's it. I still went in with my fingers and passed through the whole course. Then I got my hair dryer again and I sprayed it just a little bit, just for a few minutes. Why I'm doing this is because it was literally dripping. Do you understand? So you have to like dry it down a little bit, because we have another moisturizer we're going to be using. But if this is the only moisturizer you'll be using, don't bother drying it up, because it's still going to dry up anyways. But I had another moisturizer I wanted to put on. That's why I have to like give it a little bit of dry, just a little bit, nothing too much. And I added it on cold dry, not hot dry. And then I got this Lato Body Coconut Oil Mousse. The goat. The real goat, guys. This thing is overrated. No, not overrated, sorry. It's underrated, because what? The way it melts down your cars, bounces it, and gives it that shine. You know, the other living conditioner does not give it shine. But this one, it gives the shine. It brings out the beauty of the hair. Do you understand? And it slicks it down. I love it so much. There is no hair I do not use this for. I use it for my straight hair sometimes. Yeah, if I'm doing a gel pack up with my hair, I always use it because it does the work. It gets the job done, especially with your coils, most especially with the coils. That lateral body is the real deal, okay? It's the tea for your coily hair. So you could see how shiny and bouncy the coils are looking. You see how defined they are looking. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Now look at that hair. Take a good look at that coiling hair. So beautiful. Who would believe that this was the first hair we brought out in the beginning? It's so beautiful. Now we're taking out the band. You see, really good. Really, really good. Like, it's really good. At least we don't have any white cast or any stuff like that. It looks quite natural. You can't even tell if he's, laid or if he's just there, but there's no white cast, and I love that. The wig is not really HD lace. It is transparent lace. It's just a transparent lace, but I got it done. I have to make it work, and it did work. I still went in with the lateral body mousse over the front, so it releases the glue in the front, so I can like comb the whole hair backwards, if you understand what I mean. So I went in with my comb and combed the whole shit backwards. Yeah. And I also brought out the baby hair, even though I didn't really want to do baby hair, but the baby hair was already there, so I just have to like use the mousse to like lay it down a little bit just to make it work. Like I said, we just have to make it work because we're determined and we get things done. You know, we don't procrastinate, we don't give up, we get job done. And I still went in back with the band after the home maintenance and little touches. Then it's time for us to do our skincare. Okay, we'll pack it in the bonnet and we're going to take our shower. Yes, we're done. Now back to the skincare. Yeah, these are the face washes that I use, but this particular one is from Vit Gold. It's actually a body wash, but it has a lycopene and it's really good for your face. These are the works, and inside of it there's this scrub particles in it. This is a simple face wash that I use, the second step. But the first step I have to use it because it has its exfoliating particles. That's an yes, apricot scrub particles in it, and it exfoliates my oil face so well. And the simple face wash does the soothing. So first step after our face washes is Dr. Rachel Vitamin C plus Niacinamide Essence Toner. I'm going to teach you guys how to use your toner. Please stop using a face pad for your toner. You put your toner on your palms, you use two fingers or one finger and apply it all over your faces. Better still, get a spray bottle, put your toner in it and spray it over your face. You're not meant to use a cotton pad for your toner. That's very wrong. I also use this after my toner. I use this face wash that is sorry, face cream, guys. You guys are distracting me. I use this face cream that is really, really nice, guys. That face cream has helped eliminate the dark spots on my face, and it's so good. Like, it's really, really good. You understand? It doesn't make me too bright. It doesn't make me too dark. It just gets the job done, and it's not greasy for my oily skin. You see what I wanted to open it? I have to like use my teeth, girl. Please, I'm an African. Thank you. So I have it applied all over my face. Remember that anything you put on your face, make sure it goes over to your neck, like all over to your neck. That is how you will not have a dark neck and a bright face. Do you understand what I mean? You have to have the same tone when it comes to your face and your neck. Now I use this Esteline sunscreen. This sunscreen is actually really nice, but sometimes it could give you white cast depending on the amount you put on your face and your skin tone. I feel like it gives dark people white cast, but for my skin tone it's really nice. But anyways, we'll be having another updated skincare routine very soon. I might just get another sunscreen, but for the money and for the price it gets the job done. I'm not even gonna lie. So I just go ahead and put it in my two fingers and then go over and apply it on my face. I don't forget my hands as well because those are skin. Thank you. Those are skin. So then I go ahead and apply it all over my face. Generally all over my face and to my neck, as I said before, to my neck, under my eyes and everywhere. All done. Let's review the hair. You see, the shine and the coils are still there, but of course, because of the way I folded it, I feel like I still need to like do some finishing touches on it and take off the band in some. But you can see that the coils are still there. They look so beautiful. Now let's take off the band. Ooh, there you go. Thank you. Tell me we didn't do a great job with this. Considering how we started, this is good. There you go. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and thank you for the engagement on my last video. Don't forget so much. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like, and go and get every single of these products for your hair. And in case if you need the products that you might need for your installation, I did a video on that. It's on my YouTube shorts. Just check it out, and don't forget to share my videos, guys. Please subscribe. We need more subscribers. Subscribe. I love you guys so much. So after the finishing touches, I just press this one down. I didn't comb it anymore. I didn't try to do too much, just the mousse, and I press it down. I did my lips and we were done. All done. See you in my next video. Bye.